Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. So let's start with US market. Yesterday Dow Jones on Friday session closed at 800 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 876 points negative and S&P 500 closed at 187 points negative. This fall that came in US market was totally sponsored by after Trump slapped with 100% tariff on China. On Saturday, on Friday night, more or less Friday night, Trump imposed 100% fresh new tariff on China on all imports. This shaken the Asian market, this shook the US market, and that lead to this much loss in Nasdaq across all the sector. Look at Amazon, look at Tesla. They all fell by 1.52%. That is a massive loss on intraday basis. At the time of recording, the US 30 is trading at 100 and 590, 600 points positive. So yes, Trump has imposed 100% tariff on China, but you have to understand China doesn't have much business in America, even though after imposing such tariff, China's export has touched a record high, even though after having so much tariff, right? I think Trump is really upset after not winning the Nobel Prize, and he is taking out his frustration by slapping tariffs on countries. That is a very bad leadership that Trump is playing. That is very bad. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. On Friday session, FII bought, they were net buyers close to 460 crores and DII were staggering buyer close to 1700 crores. So yes, definitely DII and FII were net buyers in the market. Asian markets are all in red as expected. At the time of recording, the XTX Nifty is showing a gap down of 150 to 160 points. Let's talk about very interesting Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. On Friday session, if you have watched my pre-market, I clearly told you in crystal clear way, I have told you if Nifty will break about Thursday high, get long in the market. And you see, as soon as the yesterday high was broken, Thursday high was broken, the market gave a fantastic up move rally. If you would have just traded with day low stop loss, whole day you would have captured very fantastic points in Nifty. Now tell me, who is giving you these blunt levels before the market opens? I don't think so. Anyone in the whole community is telling you before the market opens. This required a solid research. This required a solid knowledge and experience in the market. I am giving away to all of you for free of cost. So make sure you subscribe and like to this channel. Now what's next? Now Nifty futures closed at 25,411. Due to gap down, maybe we can open close to 25,200, 300, but it's a still buy on dip market for me. I will be a buyer in any dips. Now support is at 25,000 and in this trade my stop loss will be 24,900. Resistance is obviously support is at 25,000, 25,200. Resistance is 25,400, 25,500. So these are the resistance and this is my trade. It's a buy on dip with a stop loss of 24,900 positionally. Bank Nifty closed at 56,862. Support is at 56,000 and resistance is 57,000. I think Bank Nifty will touch all-time high very soon, faster than Nifty. Bank Nifty looks very bullish. I am very bullish on Bank Nifty. I am very bullish on Nifty. Also, you have to keep in mind this week big companies are posting their results like Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Geo Finance. All these companies will be coming out with results. Everyone will be closely watching these companies' corporate results. So this is it. I've given you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Mark those levels on your chart and trade accordingly. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.